Meaning of firebrick.
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 Firebrick. Firebrick is a type of brick that is made to withstand high temperatures. It is commonly used in the construction of fireplaces, furnaces, and other high-heat applications. Firebrick is typically made from a mixture of clay and other materials, which are then fired at extremely high temperatures to create a dense, heat-resistant material. The result is a brick that can resist cracking and crumbling under extreme heat, making it ideal for use in situations where high temperatures are present. Its red color is due to the iron oxide content in the clay used to produce it.